Golden Voices of Penampang. It was Thursday morning, December 14, 1961. Of young boys and girls from St. Michael's School and St. Joseph's Convent School, Penampang boarded the white-green-colored bus operated by the Penampang Union Transport Co, PUT, bound for Jesselton, British North Borneo. That year they were considered as the Golden Voices of Penampang, who went under the strict voice tutorial by a Mill Hill priest named Reverend Father Couters, who himself was an accomplished choirmaster. For a solid 3-month period they had been practicing singing in harmony, girls in soprano, the boys divided between alto, tenor, and bass. It must be said that it was a great personal pride for these boys and girls to be selected to do the annual recording of the Christmas carols in Kadazan at the studio of Radio Sabah, located next to the Atkinson clock tower. The broadcast of the recording will be eagerly awaited when it goes on air on Christmas Eve, December 24th at the prime time of the day, 6:30 p.m. Yes, every singer were given a token of $3, which was big pocket money for Christmas in those days.